happy 23rd birthday. Wish you good health, tapos good luck sa exams mo, tapos makulit. Tapos yun, basta be strong lang, tsaka pray ka always dyan, tapos ingatan mo sa sarili mo always. You kiss mommy, you kiss mommy. Basta yun, good luck, tapos I hope you like my gift. Basta enjoy mo lang yung mga messages ng iyong mga friends, at saka ng iyong family. Okay, basta yun, ingat ka always. Tsaka pray lang always. Okay, bye-bye. Happy birthday. Love you. Kamu kulit na si Ellie. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Larry. I'm not dressed. Still in bed, as usual. Have a good day.
Hi, Lar. I hope you're okay. I just say I love you. I miss you. Hoping to see you soon. Christmas? Is that what you're saying? Okay. I love you, Larry. Don't forget, take care of yourself. And study hard for your exam. And I hope and pray you will pass. Okay? Just pray. Oh, imo igsoon. Si Lowella nga gwapa. Liwat na ako.
Happy birthday, Lar. We're okay and we know that you're gonna pass. Please come home and give me glamorous clothes.
Ako Lar, mas yun sa lang Lar, ha?
And then...
Yung ka, katong sa thrifty Lar. Okay na nasa ako, Lar. Thrifty store. Thrifty store. Thrifty.
Okay,
Thrifty store. Okay na nasa ako, basta manimaho lang America Lar.
Ano ba? Basta happy birthday and then...
Don't worry about us.
Worry about yourself and siksik sindio.
Precious. Hindi lang siya masira.
Hindi masira iyang pants as always. Tapos, nagit kayo mi, kambot ano ni Cindy ang John. Yung baby nag-sleep, tapos paman. Basta, mag-story lang mag-abalas. Anyways, happy birthday, and sayang
Happy birthday.
Kanta na, kanta. Happy birthday to you. Love you.
Love you, Larry. Miss you.
Hello, Larry. Belated happy birthday. It's me, Uncle Vermon.
Hi, Lar. Happy birthday, Lar. How are you? Kumusta ka man diya, Lar?
We have our new baby. We have our new baby. This is yours.
Ito, Lar.
This is yours. Her name is Sassy.
Hi!
Hello. Okay.
Okay.
Lar, tigulang na ka, Lar, no?
1, 2. Okay na?
Okay na.
Okay, bye-bye.
Happy birthday. Birthday mo pala, noong 18. Sana maging maganda buhay mo dyan. I hope you will pass your coming exam. Good luck, ha? Happy birthday.
Hello, Lar. Happy birthday. Kamusta ka na dyan? We'll pray always sa imuhang pag-take ng board exam.
Good luck. Good luck.
Good luck, ha? Happy birthday ako sa LA. Napakakulit na. Manang-mana lang din sa imuhang nawong. Oh? Hello, LA! LA,
Lar, happy birthday. Sana maging successful ka dyan at makapasa ka sa review mo sa birthday exam mo. Si Ele, wag mo alalahanin, napakarami nagmamahal dito at oras sa oras siya laging pinapansin dito. Pinapakain, laging masarap ang kinakain dito. Ito, sa tabi namin, nagtatawang maigi. Oh.
Hindi na to. Huwag na mamaya no.
Ito, naiyak na. Oh. Ito, nagluloko na naman.
Sige na to, bye-bye ka na.
Babay na, sige, thank you. Sa Friday?
Dali, come here. Come here.
Anong oras bukas? Same time?
Hello! Bye-bye ka. Say bye-bye.
1:30 siguro.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hindi lang.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Uy! Ano ba na? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Wala silang luto.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye ka. Flying kiss, flying kiss.
Lahat ng planted nila.
Bye. Kiss mommy, kiss mommy, kiss mommy.
Parang ano.
I think yes.
Papa.